Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Vija and I am super glad to see you on my channel. If you're here for the first time, I make DIY videos for home decor. And if you love making them just the way I do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on the video, and without wasting a second, let's get started. So for this project, I had a popsicle stick, wood beads and craft wire. Popsicle sticks were pretty big. It was the largest size that you can get into that. And just because I was making a jewelry stand out of it, I had to make sure that I'm getting the biggest size possible. Or you can use the dowels that is also available in the dollar store or any other craft store. Now, just because I was making a jewelry stand in a diamond shape, I wanted to make sure that I'm making perfect angles every time. Now, to make sure, I made 6 pair of popsicle sticks, sticking them together back to back with maintaining the same angle every time. So whenever I attach them in a square, I have exact diamond shape. Few mistakes happened while doing this just because I could not maintain the correct shape, but yes, I made 6 pairs eventually, and once it was made, I tried to pair them in a diamond shape. Well, this was a tricky part, that once you make one diamond shape, you can use same structure to create another ones, but since I was sticking one just beside the another one, so I could not use the diamond shape that I was creating the first time. I just went to the approximate measurements and stick all of them together in a diamond shape. Once I had that all set, then I had this wood beads all together, the mixed wood beads in a pink, purple, white and a wood color, which I also got from dollar store, but I separated out the wood beads that I actually wanted with a neutral color of wood color. They were pretty sturdy, pretty big, and I just wanted to make sure that the holes that are not being seen on my jewelry stand, so I stick those on every corner so that I can hang my chain or my necklaces or anything under that, which I usually wear every day. Now, for the second project, I had this vase from a long time, probably 2 or 3 months ago when I bought it from dollar store, and I did not know what to do with this. But then I came across one of the Lone Fox's video and decided to make something like that on this vase. Now, I had this wood contact paper too. Now, I wanted to make a bottom part with the wood and the top part with the black color. Now, just to make sure that I'm getting the wood part correct, my face was not straight. It was a different kind of shape, so it was really hard for me to get the accurate measurements for the contact paper. On top of it, it was really hard for me to stick that because the width that was fluctuating from the shape of the vase that was not supportive at all while doing all this, and which I actually thought before doing it, but anyway, I wanted to make it, so I made it work on my vase. And once I had this contact paper stick on the bottom part, I used masking tape to cover the edge, and just because I was going to paint on the top. Now, I could have spray painted those, but just because I did not have black spray paint and I wanted this to be a matte coat. So my acrylic paint, they are pretty good. When it gets dry, it actually gives the matte effect on the vase. So I started to paint the vase with a black acrylic paint without mixing back baking soda or anything, because I knew my acrylic paint is pretty good. When it gets dry, as I said, it comes up with a matte finish and you cannot actually see the strokes or anything on it. So I started to paint the vase with a black color. I had to go for about 2 to 3 coats. 3 coats on some places, but 2 coats. In 2 coats, I got it covered entirely.
Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to engage with my channel by liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing to the channel. That helps me to create my YouTube community. And once again, thank you so much, and I will see you all in the next video.